Hello, we are back again. So, oh, all right, ma'am is here now. So, in a second, of course, rest will join in now. Yes, ma'am, welcome back.
Yeah, actually my phone is overheated, so I'm not using my headphones. I hope you hear me. So I think the
My,
headphones
so
will be.
if you can use the earphone, will be great, ma'am. Yeah. All right. Comfort in Batinda has also joined in with us. Meenakshi also joined in. So, I just want to share a few minutes before most of your students, Manan, Pawan Kalyan, of course, Tilok Nath is also here now. So all have joined and want to listen to you. Oh, Pawan is here now.
Okay, nice. So sorry, my phone is getting overheated because I think the bandwidth it takes up a lot. So because of that, it might again close. I don't know. I restarted. So let's see. Yeah.
Yes, great. So before we go to wind up, and of course we will discuss more, Monam Mehra is also joining. Okay, does grooming boost one's self confidence? Everyone wants to ask. Grooming से क्या हमारा self confidence बढ़ जाता है?
बहुत ज्यादा. So I'll give you this example, okay? तो अगर आप राहुल सर का एग्जाम्पल ले लीजिए. आप सुबह उठ के यू कम टू ऑफिस एंड आपको किसी ने एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे दिया कि अरे सर आप तो आज बहुत ज्यादा हैंडसम लग रहे हो. Okay, so what will happen to Rahul sir or to anybody? आपके चेहरे पे एक स्माइल आ जाएगी, एक ग्लो आ जाएगा. You will correct your posture. आप 2 इंच लंबे हो जाएंगे. आपकी सीना चौड़ा हो जाएगा. So you'll become like posture is different. Positivity you will radiate. You will walk with more spring in your step. तो आपका पूरा दिन ऐसा ही जाएगा because of one little compliment. क्योंकि आपको किसी ने compliment दे दिया कि अब आप आज बहुत स्मार्ट और हैंडसम लग रहे हो.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
so
yes,
that is
yes.
how it boosts your confidence कि आपने अपने लिए कुछ किया, grooming एक थोड़ा ध्यान से किया, and somebody gave you a compliment. Now the opposite is also true. तो क्या होगा अगर imagine आप ऑफिस में आ गए तो आज आपने कुछ खास किया नहीं एक्स्ट्रा तो somebody notices and somebody says अरे राहुल सर क्या हो गया आपको आज? Are you okay? तो
Yes.
आप okay हो. It's not like but that same thing will be playing in your mind the whole day. उसने ऐसा क्यों बोला?
Yes.
Are you okay? Are you well? Are you sick? तो आप ठीक से सोए नहीं, नीचे डार्क सर्कल्स अगर कुछ दिख रहे हैं, वो तो होता है, सबका ही होता है. तो आपका पूरा दिन वैसा ही जाएगा. What will happen? You can't smile after that.
Yes,
तो आपका
yes.
बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी थोड़ा स्लम्प हो जाएगा.
Slump
यू
हो
विल हैव लिटिल लेस एनर्जी. तो आप वॉक करोगे डिफरेंटली, सिट स्टैंड टॉक एवरीथिंग. सो दैट्स हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट योर ग्रूमिंग इज. अगर आपको एक पॉजिटिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिल गया बेस्ड ऑन योर ग्रूमिंग, योर एंटायर डे गोज ऑन अ डिफरेंट लेवल. आपकी एनर्जी लेवल
Yes.
बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. अगर
Yes,
नहीं किया
yes,
तो
yes.
दिस हैज हैपेंड टू मी सो मेनी टाइम्स. एक मैं बताना चाहूंगी. आई मेट माई फ्रेंड आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. तो My friend asked me कि हाँ उर्मिला क्या हो गया आपको? Are you okay? You look like आप ठीक से सोए नहीं, आपके डार्क सर्कल्स दिख रहे हैं. So मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था कि I never noticed that. मैं घर आके मैंने देखा कि हाँ मेरे तो बहुत ज्यादा डार्क सर्कल्स हैं. So I started paying attention. Okay, तो मेरा तो बहुत उस दिन तो I was little like थोड़ा सा मेरे ध्यान में था कि क्या हुआ? Why did my friend make that comment? तो इसीलिए I want to tell everybody, all our listeners, viewers today कि थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा ध्यान दीजिए on dark circles. डार्क सर्कल सबके होते हैं, इट्स नॉर्मल. थोड़ा सा आप ठीक से नहीं सो पाए और खाना ठीक से नहीं हुआ, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस हो गया, जो भी है, थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू वेल फॉर एवरीबडी राइट नाउ. डार्क सर्कल्स है. So this is something I do. रात को सोने से पहले after you do your CTM, you put little bit under eye gel जो मिलता है बॉडी शॉप में मिलता है, हेल्थ एंड ग्लो में मिलता है. अंडर आई जेल अराउंड योर आईज. ओके, CTM क्लेंजर टोनर मॉइस्चराइजर अंडर आई जेल. उसके बाद आप सो जाओगे तो योर डार्क सर्कल्स विल रिड्यूस. Okay, one more thing you can do is of course a cucumber juice. You must have seen cucumber लगा के लोग ऐसे बैठ जाते हैं ना पार्लर में जाके. Why? Cucumber has a product called pectin. Pectin actually reduces your dark circles because this area you see has very thin skin. Skin is very thin over here. It's very sensitive. तो आपका जो भी ill health है या कुछ भी है यहाँ पे सबसे पहले दिखता है. When we start getting older, wrinkles यहाँ पे सबसे पहले दिखते हैं. So this area has to be paid extra attention. तो आप क्यूकम्बर जूस लगा सकते हो, टोमेटो जूस लगा सकते हो, अंडर आई जेल लगा सकते हो, थोड़ा सा दूध, मिल्क, यू टेक मिल्क, कोल्ड मिल्क एंड टेक इट इन अ कॉटन लाइक दिस, कोल्ड मिल्क में सोक करके ऐसे करके लाइक ना थोड़ा सा वो कॉटन लगा के 5 मिनट कर सकते हो. टेक केयर ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, ओके, स्मॉल थिंग्स मैटर. So your confidence level
Yes,
absolutely
yeah,
skyrockets if you know
yes,
you are doing your best. आपने अपने
yes,
फेवरेट कपड़े पहन लिए, अपना ग्रूमिंग ठीक से ठीक ठाक कर लिया, योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल विल बी वेरी हाई. कोई भी कुछ बोले उसके बाद इट विल नॉट मैटर.
yes, yes, yes. In
बट
fact, we
अगर
have
आपने थोड़ा सा रख लिया, ठीक ठाक नहीं किया, देन थोड़ा सा कोई को बोल देता ना, तो दैट विल ट्रिगर इन योर माइंड कि उसने ऐसा क्यों बोला, मेरा ये ठीक
yeah,
नहीं था क्या, मैंने तो दैट विल प्ले ऑन योर
yes.
माइंड.
We
हाँ जी.
have Miss Anuradha Chawla who just joined in our MIHM advisory board member. Hello,
हेलो
ma'am.
मैम.
Mrs. Chawla is here. Okay, she's there. She's there. Or no? Of course. Dinesh. Hi, Dinesh. Hi, Gurdeep. Good to hear all of you, and thank you so much for joining. So, ma'am, it was a superb discussion with with both of us, and of course, a lot of participants also joined in. We came to know a lot of things, and of course, grooming is an essential part of our life. Of course, MIHM Bhatinda, as I said, एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूशन है जो बच्चों के ग्रोथ पे डिपेंड, उसके ऊपर ही हम उसको लेके चलते हैं. तो if you want to say something about MIHM, we'll be glad to hear that.
हाँ हाँ जी. Actually, I read so much about MIHM. मैंने सुना भी है that it's one of the finest institutes in Punjab. North India में अगर आप हो तो it's one of the finest institutes, best culinary faculty. And you have Mr. Rahul Ahuja, who is a legend in the hospitality industry himself. I have worked with him personally for many years. जानती हूँ अच्छे से, so I know what kind of a leader he is, what kind of mentor he is. So आपको इतना अच्छा, I mean, you have this opportunity to work with a person like Rahul Ahuja sir and his team. So that is one. Faculty is the best. And the best part is, मैंने सुना है, I read also that your institute,
Yes.
MIHM Bhatinda, has tied up with so many institutes in Italy,
Switzerland.
in Spain, in Switzerland. So that is an awesome opportunity. Like, आपको international exposure भी मिल रहा है. So that's
Definitely.
something you can add onto your resume. It will carry a lot of weightage. International exposure, tying up, affiliation, all this is weight. And the third thing is, once you're culinary, if you are a budding hotelier, chef or whatever, you are getting exposure, institute like MIHM, which is tied up with a hotel, luxury hotel, Comfort Inn. So you have that exposure to work in a hotel also. आपकी जो training होगी, practical trainings will be in a hotel. Classroom में एक knowledge होता है, which is bookish knowledge, but going out there practicing it gives you 10 times more that exposure. So वो
Yes,
exposure
yes.
भी बहुत important है. So I think
Of course.
MIHM, I think you guys are doing a fantastic job.
Thank you,
Wish you
thank
a
you.
lot of success.
Thank you,
Pandemic
thank
में
you.
भी online कर रहे हो class, which is a great thing. So it's awesome.
Yes, yes. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your inspiring words. Of course, we have an advisory board team also. We have a very eminent industry advisory board. Anuradha Chawla, ma'am, is also here. She's one of our trainer. Of course, she's the one who is responsible for the development of the students. So Urmila, ma'am, also here with us. She's going to guide students. So Manan is saying, Urmila ma'am, tips are always amazing. Kudos to you. Best tips for personality development come with more live session like this. So Manan is really, I'm sure you know Manan. Of course, he's doing.
I know Manan. Yes.
He's doing
So nice.
great.
Thank
in
you
her
for
life.
joining. Thank you for joining.
Yes,
And you
yes,
guys
yes.
are doing awesome. He's also from our hotel, PCHM in Bangalore. So I
Yes,
know him.
and
Yeah.
Manan is he's doing very well in his life. He's an entrepreneur now. He's growing himself in industry. And I just want to give tip to everyone that hotel industry will take you to a new level. It's an industry which gives you, of course, it is all important that you just believe in your attitude, believe in attitude, positive attitude. As ma'am is saying, smile more is more important, and grooming is more important. Then you're going to shine for sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. And anyone has a question, you can ask. If you have any doubt, you can ask ma'am now.
I also want to add to that what Sir just now said. See, it's hotel industry. It's a degree that you get. Okay,
Yes.
you may get a hotelier degree, but after that, also your road doesn't end there. Okay, so I also wanted to be a hotelier when I was growing up, but uske baad my opportunities opened up. I got the opportunity to join international airline Cathay Pacific. So what happened from one level, I went to another level. So in my career with Cathay Pacific for 14 years, I got the chance to, combine hospitality with aviation, travel and tourism. तो एक one bird kills 4 stones. Hospitality, aviation, travel and tourism. I got to travel to more than 100 countries across the world. Exposure was fantastic. So of course पैसा भी बहुत सारा अच्छा था, and so it's important that you take this seriously, your degree, and this is not the end. Okay, आपको retail में जाना है, आपको hospitals में जाना है. Hospitals nowadays are extension of hospitality. Like I live in Bangalore next to Manipal Hospital. I know a lot of hoteliers from my institute have been taken there. क्योंकि एक level of hospitality, आप जब train होते हैं hotel management में, you are able to connect with the guest at a different level.
Yes.
Which is very much required nowadays. आपका connect होना चाहिए. So hoteliers know how to connect.
Yes.
Okay, so your communication skills, your grooming skills. It's like grooming. When we talk about grooming, I have a lot of family members who are the Indian Army. Okay, Indian Army mein, the person stands out even outside the uniform. Okay, when my brother-in-law, for example, stands out even without uniform, civilian clothes mein, bal, short, and groomed every Sunday. Barber has come for a haircut every Sunday. Every Sunday, कौन बाल काटता है? कितने बाल grow होते हैं? But no, you need to maintain that consistency. I'm sure Rahul Ahuja sir also cuts his hair every 15 days. So it's very important. आपको maintain करना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि कर लिया, maintain नहीं किया. So maintain that look has to be maintained very consistently.
Very important.
For boys, every 15 days one haircut is important. For girls, every 1 month parlor visit is very important. थोड़ा अपने आप पे खर्चा करो. Okay, it's not, I don't call it a cost, it's an investment. Okay, when you invest on yourself, you get a lot of returns. Okay, returns. एक तो return है, like लोग आपको they look at you differently. Okay, the respect level goes up, they look at you differently. अगर कुछ बोला भी नहीं है, it's okay, they see it differently. तो आपको वो feel होगा अंदर, like अच्छा, this person looked at me differently today. मतलब क्या था? So it's something that you will feel, people looking at you with more respect. People give you that, at a different level. So you will feel more professional. You will behave more confidently once you are better groomed. Okay, घर पे ठीक है, like, I know all of us are sitting at home for the last 1 year plus. But it's important, like, अगर आपको कैमरा में कुछ interviews देना है, online classes attend करनी है. So it's very important to take care of that at home also. ऐसा नहीं है pajamas पहन के, t-shirts पहन के. No, don't do that. Like, that's an image breaker. Don't do that. Don't let people see you like that.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a wonderful talk, and we are glad that you have given spare time for us. And we would like to have a lot of sessions with you. And the listeners were joyful to listen to you. And thank you so much. And
My
of
pleasure.
course, and of course, very important for all the listeners. It's time to stay safe at home. Make it sure that you are with your family, and of course, develop yourself, develop your skills, develop your personality, and grow yourself in the hospitality industry. We are there to assist you. MIHM Bhatinda is always there to assist you. Thank you so much, Urmila ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. My pleasure. And do reach out to us. If there are any questions, do reach out. We are available on social media.
Thank you so much.
Happy to
Have
help.
a great day.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.